Hi students, let us continue with the SQL joins. In the previous video, I explained about SQL inner join. Now let us see SQL outer join. Actually, these inner join and outer join are the two types of equi-joins. So these both are equi-joins. Again, this equi-join is divided into inner and outer join. So now let us see what is an outer join. So this SQL join condition returns all rows. Let me write this point. This SQL join condition means the outer join condition returns all rows, just like inner join returns all rows from both the tables which satisfy condition. So this has to be mentioned that it has to satisfy the condition. Those rows that are satisfy the condition, those items will be displayed in inner join. In outer join also, this SQL join condition returns all rows from both tables which satisfy the join condition along with rows which do not satisfy the join condition from one of the table. So that is the outer join. So what it's saying? So first it has to satisfy the inner join condition, means it returns all rows from both the tables which satisfy the join condition. So whatever the equi-join condition satisfy, those rows which are equal in both the tables, those will be written along with the rows which do not satisfy. Some rows that do not satisfy the join condition from one of the table. Don't take in both the tables, only in one table you take the items which do not satisfy the join condition. So in the previous example, only these 4 items are satisfied with this product ordered item table. So while you are writing, you write these 4 items along with these item also, which doesn't satisfy. Okay, in one table you have to take rows which do not satisfy the join condition from one of the table. So you can take this table or this table item which do not satisfy the join condition. So the outer join will be indicated with the plus sign. So that sign that is placed before the equi-join or after the equi-join, means is equal symbol. So let me write SQL outer join operator in Oracle is plus. So SQL outer join operator in Oracle is plus and is used on one side of join condition only. So one side of the join condition only, whether it should be a right side or the left side. Okay, let me take the query for the outer join example. So the previous example only, select p dot product id, p dot product name, o dot order id, o dot total units from order item table, from order items O, comma product table P, where condition, where O dot product ID plus. So whenever the plus is there, it means it is SQL outer join. If nothing is mentioned, that should be an inner join, equal to P dot product ID. So whenever this condition is satisfied, So those items will be selected. So along with the not only the equal, it returns all rows, both the tables which satisfies the conditions along with the rows which do not satisfy the join condition from one of the table. So whenever this plus is there, it means it is an outer join. If you didn't mention any plus, O dot product ID is equal to P dot product ID means it is, you have to think that is SQL inner join. So what is the, let me write the table. Let me write the output for this query. So what are the items that I selected from the two tables? Means the fields product ID, product name, order ID and total units. So in this table I selected the product ID and the product name. In this table I selected the order ID and the total units. Total 4 attributes I selected in both the table. Okay, so what is the product ID? So here I have to take the items that are equal in both, and one is the items that are not equal. So here first I am taking 100 in the product ID table. First field is the product ID. So 100. Here 100 is not there in this order table. Even though it is not there in order table, I am entering this 100 value. 100. The product name is camera. But order ID is not here. For 100, the order ID is not there. So you just make it as a blank. Total unit is also not there. Next is 101. 101 is television. So for television, the order ID is 5103 and the total units are 10. Next 102. Refrigerator. Order ID is 5101. Total units is 5. Next 103. iPod. Order ID is 102, 25. So this is the SQL outer join. So here these items are equal, these rows are equal, means the attribute based on one particular column, we are selecting the equal items in both the tables. So 101, 102, 103 are equal in both the tables except 100. So you have to take that also while you are discussing about the SQL outer joins. So here the plus operator is used left side of join condition, then you can say it is a left outer join. If you use the plus operator in the right side of the join condition, you can say it is a right outer join. So this is about the SQL outer join. Thank you.